up my computer.
Hey, we're sitting here in Plymouth, Nebraska with my daughter and grandkids. We're going to check out this cool car show they got going on out here. So hopefully get a video alright. Alright, Brianna.
Alright, let's go check it out. Look at that red truck.
That's cool, huh?
So one people the other.
Exactly. You're working full time and you got kids in college and you got everything.
Oh, they got it packed. Yeah, that one's very cool.
That's too cool.
Isn't that pretty sweet? Isn't that cool?
Let's go see this one.
That one's probably going to be the favorite, huh, guys?
I would drive that one.
Now this would be cool too. Look at the wheels on the back of it.
Daisy, whoa, her favorite color is yellow.
Whoa! Jonna used to have a
It's nice in there, ain't it?
that she drove around and it was fast as snot.
Look at that blue one over there.
I know, that's cool. Micah likes stuff like that. And then this one with its fans. Yeah, that's about the cars that style, you know.
Whoa.
That was pretty nice, man. Third days. Man, I could have put my Hummer in this. Look at that truck. I could have threw my Hummer in here. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Man, guys, this is a lot of cool stuff. That'd be a sweet ride for you, that little Mustang.
Good
A blue car.
It's not clear what you're doing. I think you get so many people have no idea.
This is
That
pretty
one's
slick
better?
too.
You like that one?
Thank you.
That's pretty cool, Bubba.
This one's cool too.
Wow.
That's orange and white, ain't it? It's a pretty nice car. Let's go check out some more, guys.
That one's pretty cool. That one's long.
Hey, let's stop just a second. I'm going to shut this off. And then stay tuned for part 2. Man, I cannot find that little X there.